Welcome to the Power Query Basics tutorial, where we will transform your raw data step by step. Power Query is the foundational tool in Power BI for cleaning and preparing your datasets. This interface allows you to view, modify, and automate your data preparation processes efficiently. First, you must connect Power Query to your diverse data sources to start the transformation. We are breaking down the process into 10 essential steps for high-quality data modeling. Focus on Step 40, which emphasizes structure and consistency in your imported tables. Step 39 is critical. Always review your query steps for potential logic errors. At Step 38, we look at optimizing the data load to ensure fast report performance. Step 37 introduces techniques for managing large, complex datasets within Power Query. Moving to Step 36, we cover the most efficient ways to sort your information. Step 35 focuses on automating repetitive manual tasks to save you valuable time. At Step 34, we delve into applying advanced logical operations to your dataset. Step 322 covers precise filtering strategies to isolate the information you need. In Step 32, we address how to effectively handle and mitigate null values. Step 31 requires us to ensure every column is assigned the correct data type. At Step 30, we focus on standardizing text formats for cleaner visuals and calculations. Step 29 introduces data security measures within your query environment. At Step 28, we review the transformation history list for accuracy and debugging. Step 27 involves understanding and mapping out your current query dependencies. Step 26 covers the final validation checks before you apply changes to your model. In Step 25, we begin building custom calculated columns to enhance your data analysis capabilities. Step 24 focuses on extracting specific date components like quarters, months, and years from raw data. At Step 23, we group and summarize data to find hidden trends and patterns efficiently. Step 22 involves fine-tuning your M-code expressions for faster execution and better maintainability. In Step 21, we learn how to gracefully handle and resolve data import errors. Step 20 explores using parameters to make your queries dynamic and reusable across projects. Moving to Step 19, we cover how to merge datasets using various join types for a unified view. Step 18 shows you how to append multiple tables into a single master data source. At Step 17, we apply advanced cleaning techniques to handle messy, inconsistent, and unstructured data inputs. Step 16 is all about building complex conditional logic to categorize and segment your data records. Step 15 teaches you how to pivot and unpivot columns to change your data's structure for analysis. In Step 14, we discuss best practices to keep your query workspace organized and easy to audit. Step 13 emphasizes the importance of verifying your transformation steps against a test dataset. Step 12 covers why documenting your query steps is essential for team collaboration and future maintenance. At Step 11, we look at how to monitor query runtimes to identify potential bottlenecks. Step 9 focuses on polishing your final table output before loading it into the data model. Step 8 involves managing regional settings and culture codes to ensure global data consistency. At Step 7, we define standard data validation rules that your queries must adhere to. Step 6 teaches you to remove complex duplicate records while preserving critical master data. Step 5 wraps up our 10-step series by reviewing and consolidating your final transformation query steps. Step 4 is dedicated to analyzing the transformation steps for potential efficiency gains. Step 3 focuses on consolidating your query steps to ensure a cleaner and more maintainable project. In Step 23, we address advanced optimization techniques for complex, multi-layered data sources. At Step 1, we perform the final cleanup of the workspace to finalize your Power Query setup. Now let's explore the broader transformation process that makes your data ready for analysis. Cleaning and formatting your raw data is the most critical stage for ensuring accurate insights. Effectively removing duplicate entries and handling null values maintains the integrity of your entire report. Ensuring data types are accurately set prevents errors during calculation and visualization steps. Once the basics are set, we can move into advanced transformations to handle complex requirements. Splitting and merging columns allows you to restructure data to perfectly fit your analysis needs. Adding custom conditional columns enables you to create segments and categories dynamically. Finally, we need to load your transformed data into the model and finalize the workflow. Applying your changes prepares the data for integration into the Power BI data model. Following best practices for refreshing queries ensures your reports remain accurate and up-to-date. You have successfully navigated the basics of Power Query data transformation. Remember to prioritize clean data input, consistent formatting, and efficient transformation logic. With your data prepared, you're ready to start building your professional Power BI dashboard.